Hi, I'm on the VBX Wellness Machine for US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Thanks, guys. All right, hey, let's go win another prize here today. And where's Tiff at? It's time to start passing out those ballots, man. We get to start voting.
Hi, my name's Orlando. This is my 1968 Chevelle SS Super Sport 396. It's a fresh restore out of my garage. I pretty much did everything: interior, motor, paint, and a 2-car garage. This is the second car show I've gone out to. So here it is.
There's a lot of work and what a great thing.
Yeah. I enjoy rebuilding them, and I usually end up selling them, but
oh, do you really?
yeah, and get another one. Yeah, I enjoy the work of bringing it back from nothing and making it into something.
What was the condition of this before you got
Oh,
it?
it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad, yeah. I replaced the quarters. The floors are great, just replaced a little section in the driver's floor. But it pretty much was missing interior, hood, wheels. I mean, it was a complete rebuild.
Now you do it to make money, or you do it because
Nah,
you like doing this?
it's just a hobby. I like to do it. You know, I sell them, but I mean, this is like my 4th or 5th different car that I've restored.
Really?
So yeah, I mean,
That is so sweet.
I really like this one though. So
Yeah. Where did you find this puppy?
I found this in Romeoville. It was in a storage since 1991, and the guy was losing his storage and he wanted to sell it.
And these classic rims.
Yeah, that's the original rallies.
Right. I mean,
Yeah.
back growing up, you know, it's like you couldn't find
Yeah.
enough of them. You know?
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah.
that is so sweet.
Yeah.
And what kind of paint do you have?
This is the original red from the factory, but it's modern urethane paint. It's modern urethane paint, but the color code is the original color code.
That is so sweet. That is so sweet.
We can look at the
take a look at the
engine.
engine?
Sure can.
Alright. So what are we looking at here?
It's a 396 big block, 1968. It's got original cast iron manifolds, original heads, original intake. The only thing I did, it was an original quadrajet carburetor, and I put a Holly on it. And it does have an MSD distributor for better ignition, but other than that, it's stock.
There you go.
Yeah.
You know your stuff. You know your stuff. Have you won car show awards before?
Yeah, I was at the World of Wheels in March of this year. I placed an award
There you go.
in the modified class. You can look in there. It's just original stick shift car, manual brakes, manual steering.
How's the car to drive? A lot of fun?
Yeah, a lot of power, a lot of fun. Yeah. It's got about the 500 horsepower range-ish. Yeah.
Do you belong to a car club?
Yeah, I'm in the Street Machine Chicago style.
Okay.
So,
And are they here today?
yes, they are. They're right here next to us. Several. There's more cars that are not here, but these are a good 6 or 7 of them.
There you go.
Yeah.
And then can we hear how this car sounds?
Yeah. Let's start it up. Put the brake down. Wrong key.
That is smooth. That is smooth.
Starts right up.
Step on it a little bit, all right? That is sweet. That is sweet. There you go.
Thanks for watching US Classic Muscle Cars.
Don't forget to share and like US Classic Muscle Cars videos.